You've abused your power, okay?
Really?
You're doing this specifically
no,
because
you're making another presumption again.
I've come out to
How have you made it as a sergeant completely unlawful?
Well,
okay, but also, can I just mention to you as well, can you tell me why you didn't actually tell me that you put your body camera on, sir?
Okay. I apologise for that. My body camera's on. Is there a reason why you didn't tell me you were videoing me?
I don't need to. Okay, under your actual code of ethics.
Thank you very much for your time,
okay,
sir. Yeah, go on. Under my code of ethics.
Under your code of ethics, under section 3.5, okay, you're meant
3.5 what?
3.5 of your code of ethics.
Sir, there's no such thing as 3.5.
Yes, there is. Yes, there is, sir. You need to actually look at it, okay? It actually states that a member of the public must be informed at the first possible moment when you actually turn your body camera on. Okay, now you had ample opportunity in which to actually tell me.
Can you just wait?
Okay,
Stop talking for a second.
No, please don't talk to me that way.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a card. Sir, I'm going to give you a card with my details on so you can make a complaint that I didn't inform you.
Don't worry, I will be.
That I had my body one video.
I will be. Don't worry about that.
I didn't. I was more concerned with your actions at the time. But
what, my actions? What, filming in public?
What? No, what you're trying to
filming in public.
No, what you're trying to do is just bait police officers and other people.
That's a presumption. Okay. What you got to remember, a presumption. Okay, that's your own personal presumption, sir.
I'll give you my details.
Okay, your own personal presumption, and your own personal presumption is not law.
I'm just advising you.
Okay.
If you want to video
your
public,
presumption is not law.
No, it's not.
Okay. So just remember that.
I never said it was.
Okay.
So
don't tell me that I'm trying to bait police officers.
You are?
No, I would have gladly have had a nice conversation with you, sir, if you would have approached me in a different manner.
You were never intending that at all.
Really?
Really? You're doing this specifically because
sir, you're making another presumption again.
Right from the opening seconds, this is already about presumptions versus authority. Notice how the auditor isn't denying the officer's role. He's challenging the reasoning. That distinction matters more than most people realize.
How
have you made it as a sergeant? How have you made it as a sergeant when you make so many presumptions? Okay, you've made 3 different presumptions. Okay, on me. Okay, now if that was the case, I can make a presumption on you and say, right, you're in uniform. Okay, are you telling me that you're going to murder someone next? Okay, is that what it is? Okay, so I can make a presumption, okay, on you, okay, and this is only using it as an example. So are you telling me then that you would actually murder someone else, would you, sir? Don't do that, you prick!
What are you doing?
You're such a prick. Okay? No, you deliberately push that to try and push me over. Okay? And don't make it look like you weren't.
Please don't shout at me in the inquiry officer.
I'm not shouting, sir.
Are you here for a legitimate reason? Okay? Are you here for a legitimate reason?
Well, what I'm here to see, okay, I will go and see.
Are you here for a legitimate reason?
Yes, I am here for a legitimate reason.
Do you need to speak to someone? Would you like to tell me what that is? And I'll get an officer to come
Not you, it's your actual inspector I would like to see.
He's not here at the moment, but I can give you the details on how you can contact him.
Yep, if you could. Okay, because that was completely out of order.
If you contact 101...
No, I'm not doing it via 101, okay? I will actually do it in here.
They'll take the details for you.
And that I will do.
Okay.
Okay, but you are absolutely out of order for what you just done. Don't make it look like you didn't do anything.
No,
it's all on camera. No, was it hell? Was it hell? You absolutely talk out your arse.
Sir, if you keep swearing at me and you keep being abusive, then I will ask you to leave the station. Sir, I'm going to ask you to leave the station if you carry on trying to behave in this manner.
Can you tell me whether or not that is swearing or not? Arse is not swearing.
Yeah, you're shouting at me.
I'm not shouting.
You are.
I'm not shouting.
If you want to make your complaint, there's the inquiry office.
I'm not shouting.
I'm more than happy to do so. If you have no legitimate reason to be here, I will ask you to leave.
I have a legitimate reason.
Here's an important legal nuance. In most UK forces, informing someone about body-worn video is policy, not statute. That doesn't make it meaningless. Policy governs conduct, complaints, and discipline, even if it's not criminal law.
Okay.
What's your legitimate reason?
Well, I'm waiting for you to go, and then I'll go in there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Well, I'll wait for you to go.
Thank you.
Okay. Because you are absolutely out of order.
Sir, there's no point following me in.
I'm not following you in through that door. I'm not following you in through that door. No, I want you to go, and then I'll carry on with my business.
Okay.
And I've already told you that 3 times. As soon as you go, I will carry on with my business.
You're just being argumentative unnecessarily.
No, you tried to push me over.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. It's all on camera, so don't worry about it.
It's all on camera.
Yep, and I will be getting a copy of those.
I'm sure you will, sir. You have a nice day. Thank you for your time.
Right. Absolute joker.
You're causing our colleagues harassment, harm and distress, and if you put that in the public domain, you could cause our colleagues problems. There could be people out there.
Well, no, that's
that might want to cause them
harm. As I said,
it's not
you stated what I may do with this. You stated what I may do with it.
The issue you have.
Step back a little bit, please.
The issue you have.
Could you step back a little bit,
What
please?
you're doing is you're causing our colleagues harassment, alarm, and distress.
Would you mind stepping back a little bit, please?
You're causing our colleagues harassment, alarm, and distress.
Would you mind stepping back a little bit, please?
Okay. Why don't you step back further over there?
No, because I moved to here and you came to me. Okay.
I'll come
just
to
because
you. Because it's strange, and I'm asking you why you're filming.
And you walk to me.
I'm asking you why you're
filming. If you
filming.
don't want to be that close to someone, then don't walk up to them that way.
Listen to me for a minute.
Okay? If you ask your colleague to step back, I will talk with you.
No,
he's walked right the way up. Now, this is me feeling alarmed and distressed.
He's not in your personal space.
Yes, he is. Okay? He's well within an arm's reach.
Don't touch me.
I didn't touch you.
Don't touch me.
I didn't touch you.
Because you touch me and you get arrested for
I did
assault.
not touch you, so let's get that right. I did not touch you.
Don't touch me. You touch me and you get
I
arrested
did not
for assault.
touch you, so you need to be quiet on that one, okay? Don't tell me I touched you when I did not touch you.
Don't touch me.
I did not touch you. It's all on camera,
Do you
okay?
understand?
I did not touch you. Don't tell me do I understand,
Try and touch me.
okay?
This is where emotion overtakes structure. Once insults enter, the focus shifts from law to behavior, and that often becomes the justification officers rely on to escalate or control the encounter.
Do not tell me, okay?
Sir,
he's got a real attitude problem. Yes, he has.
you're not listening.
If you'd like to talk to me for a second,
that's
great.
fine.
Okay. So I just wanted to clarify some things. You're right, this is a public area. You are entitled to film here. However, your behaviour is causing our staff harassment, alarm and distress.
Who's that then?
So we've had members of our staff complaining about you.
How you doing, peeps? Hope you're good and well. So you can see from this video, this is the second update in this video. The first one was an assault. This second one now here is an arrest. And yeah, so as you know, I gave you an update on Inspector Barton and where it should have actually gone to court at the end of last month, and basically things have sort of been delayed, so I'm now waiting for another date for that, and as soon as I have that I will let you know, and you can see the way that they actually abuse their power here.
I'll tell you that straight, because I've done nothing wrong.
That's fine. I'm going to ask you again. You've caused our staff harassment, alarm,
and I'm going to tell you no.
There is concern around your behaviour and how it's making our staff feel,
and I'm going to tell you no.
That request from you to provide me with your name
and I'm going to tell you no, because I've done nothing wrong.
You're under arrest.
Okay, right, hang on, just before you do, would you mind just reading my wrist, please? Okay, I've got a medical bracelet on that wrist. Before he puts that on, I've got a medical bracelet.
Watch how quickly this turns physical. Even slight contact becomes contested. On camera, intent matters less than perception, and perception is exactly what later reports will lean on.
How you doing, peeps? Right, on to the third video of this update. So you can see from the first one, it was an assault. Second one was an arrest, and now the third one it gave was a full-on detainment. So basically what you've got is you've got these two coppers here that were at Brixton Police Station, but they were actually from Wimbledon, and you can see the way that they actually make it up, and basically the reason why they actually tried to and did actually bring section 43 is because I wouldn't give my actual name. And that's what they think now warrants using section 43, is you not actually giving your name for doing nothing wrong whatsoever. And basically this case here as well, the same as the second one, it has been delayed, and I'm just waiting for a new date for that, and as soon as I have that I will give you that update. Okay, so be good, peeps, and take it easy.
So you're not willing to give us your name?
No, I'm under no obligation to give you my name.
Well, at this moment in time I'm going to detain you for a purpose of search.
Under what law?
Just come in, mate.
Okay.
Come in. If you work with me, I'll work with you. That's fine.
But as you actually say something, I will question it. Okay?
That's fine. Yeah, completely fine.
Okay.
As soon as I say something, you want to say something.
That's fine. You go for it.
But let me just get this all out, and then if you want to leave the questions for later, fine. Because then I'll be able to answer it.
Go for it.
Fine. Yeah. So as I said, moment in time you are being detained for a purpose of search. I'll be searching today under section 43 of the Terrorism
Okay,
Act.
right. Under section 43, you need to give me the specific part of section 43. Don't just give me a number, you need to give me the specific part, and also as well, okay, to do with actually having so-called evidence to use section 43, you need to make sure that you get this done correctly, and you tell me what site, what actual part of section 43. No, it will be an unlawful search.
You can make a complaint.
It will be an unlawful search.
And if you want to complain
and if you feel that way, you can make a complaint afterwards. But this is what we're going to do here and now. If you have an issue with that,
what is your where is your actual proof of hostile reconnaissance?
we've explained to you.
Where is your proof of that?
At this moment in time, mate,
We don't
I
need
haven't
to-
even gotten to my grounds just yet.
So what is
As I
your
said,
no? You're calling me a terrorist. You're doing
not
it under
calling
the
you a terrorist, I'm
you're
calling
doing it under the Terrorism Act. Is that, or is that not calling me a terrorist? If
No,
you were
it's
going to search me under the Terrorism
Not
Act,
at all.
no.
No.
Right, well I'll tell you now, please make sure that you quote me the specific part of section
Right,
43 that you're going to do this under.
As I said, you'll be searched today.
No,
under section-
you need to make
section
sure
43
that
of the
you
Terrorism
actually
Act.
give me the specific part
reason
of
being-
section 43.
The reason being why I'm searching you today, sir, is because you've been quite evasive towards us when we come and
What,
spoken
because I don't want to give you my name?
Yes.
Okay,
Question.
am I under any legal
fine.
obligation to
You're
give you
not,
my name?
however,
So how is that then, how is that then?
You're not really giving
Well,
us
it's a public building, I'm standing in public. Well, hang on, hang on.
Station filming it.
Is that against the law? Is what I'm doing? Is what I'm doing?
You don't
Is
need
it
to break
against the law?
to be searched.
Okay,
You
but
need to
what?
be
No, but you're searching me
suspected.
under the
And we
Terrorism
have
Act.
suspicion
Okay,
to search
so
you.
your reasonable
We're not
suspicion,
arguing
what is it?
We're going to search you.
Okay, right. Well, we'll go for it. Okay,
fine,
but it
as
will
I
be.
said.
It's completely unlawful.
Well, then you can make a complaint
You can make
afterwards,
a
can't you,
Okay,
sir?
it's completely unlawful.
Okay, make a
and
complaint
abuse of
afterwards.
powers.
If you feel like that,
Okay.
make a complaint afterwards.
Right, because
So
I
being
would
recorded,
really,
you're
really want
recording
to know.
it, we're
I don't
recording
worry.
it.
Yep, and I
So
will
you can
carry
make a
on
complaint.
recording.
So you're going to be
fine.
searched.
That's fine,
Okay.
you'll be
And
searched
make
today.
complaint
Okay.
afterwards.
As I said, the grounds being for the search is, because you've not really given us an actual
I don't have to
sheet as
give
why
you
you're
my
here.
name.
That's fine, you've been quite
Okay,
evasive towards us.
but I do
And
want
at the
an
moment
actual
in time,
sheet.
sir,
I do want an
that's
actual
fine.
sheet before I leave here.
That's
Okay,
fine.
of the search.
You're not letting me speak, sir.
Okay, because I
I just
don't
want-
need to.
Okay, well, as I said, you've not really given us a reason as to why you're here.
I don't need to give you a reason.
Let me
Do I live in Nazi Germany?
This is a classic standoff. Lawful filming versus claimed distress. The question viewers should ask is simple. Can feelings alone override a lawful activity in a public space?
Do I live
Right,
in
so
Nazi
you've not
Germany?
given us a reason as to why you're here.
What?
You've been
Well,
evasive
you've
towards
already
us.
said that it's because
You've
I won't give
also
you my
been
name.
quite obstructive at the
All
moment
right.
in time
Yep.
with the search.
Okay.
All right.
No, because I'm
And you've
questioning.
also-
I'm
you've
questioning the law.
That's fine. And also, the reason why we're searching today is because you've literally the only place that we've actually saw you search or film was the actual back door of a police.
Well, that
gate.
you've seen.
That's fine.
That you've seen.
Which is
Okay.
a bit suspicious, and that's why
Well,
I'm doing
no,
it.
no.
I
What
said-
you got to remember, that's your own feelings.
That's fine, sir.
That's your own
That's fine,
feelings.
but you're still gonna get
okay,
searched.
it's not what the law is. Okay.
We're going to get searched, unfortunately. I
Right.
just said,
And
my
it's
name's
gonna be
PC
unlawful.
Brito, and I'm
Are you willing to
attached.
take your bag off for us to search, or
Well, before you do, you need to read that first.
read what?
Okay. It's a medical bracelet.
Okay, you've got a heart murmur. Okay.
No, that's not the only thing.
Asthma and spinal disability.
Yep.
So would you like to take your bag off
Okay.
for us
It's fine.
to assist with your spinal disability?
So, my name is PC Brito, and I'm attached to Wimbledon Police Station. I've given you my shoulder number, however, I can say it again. It's 2463 Southwest. All right. You'll be entitled to a copy of the search as soon as we finish with this search, or you can go from myself in physical form, or you can go to your local station and get it within 90 days. Right, sir? As I said, the grounds for the search was because you've
Well,
been
there
quite
are no
evasive.
grounds.
There is quite a bit of substantial grounds. You've
There
been
are
evasive,
grounds.
You've been quite obstructive towards us. You've not really given us a reasonable excuse as to why you're here, really, mate.
Okay.
And from what I've seen coming out of the police station, you've just only been filming that one door.
Your own
which is
opinion.
honestly what I can only
Okay,
say.
well, what I'm doing is completely lawful.
As I said, you've been detained,
Yeah.
and you will be searched today
Yeah.
under section 43 of Terrorism Act. All right.
All right, whatever.
We might just need to get. Do you want to put that over there? So
Well, do you mind if I lean against the wall?
Yeah, of course you can.
Whatever makes it easier for you, sir.
Now, have you got anything on yourself that may harm me or you when I touch you?
I have all my own belongings on me.
It's fine. Anything sharp?
No.
While my colleague's
Completely
searching you,
unlawful.
I'm just going to go through your bag, okay?
Yeah, but just remember, I'm not consenting to the search.
You don't have to consent to it.
Yeah, because it's an unlawful search in what you're doing.
You don't have
okay, you have no reasonable grounds for this search.
Opinion, and if you
well,
feel
no,
that
it's
way,
a fact. You have no reasonable grounds for this search.
If you just step aside for me.
Yeah, you have no reasonable grounds.
No worries.
None whatsoever.
Is this yours, yeah?
Okay, just remember, whatever you take out of my pockets, do not drop it.
I will not drop it.
have you been searched before? So
That's irrelevant.
it might be irrelevant.
That's irrelevant. I know, mate, it's a joke. They're searching me because I'm filming. Yeah, I know, mate. Bunch of turds, nothing more.
That's a bit rude.
Well, no, it's not.
We've only been pleasant to you.
No, you're not. You're abusing my legal rights.
I don't think we're abusing.
No, you are. You're abusing your powers. Okay. End of story. You're abusing your powers.
And as we said, if you feel that that's the case, then you can always make.
Don't worry, I will be.
That's fine.
Okay. You couldn't even quote. You could not even quote me the Pacific part of Section 43. Okay. You could not even quote me the right part of Section 43.
I'll do so. I'm going to put this inside your bag, alright?
Yeah, you do need to if you read it correctly and what the law actually is. Okay.
And how long have you been a police officer?
The number is not the law. The number is not the law.
And how
it's
long
the
have you been a
wording
police
is what
officer
is the law. Well, you definitely don't know your job, do you? Okay.
Well,
you definitely well and truly do not know your job because all what you're doing is you're abusing powers.
You're getting very angry over nothing.
Yeah, because I'm getting frustrated because of a turd such as you that think you can search me like this.
That's very rude.
Okay.
We've not actually been rude to you.
Right.
No.
Absolute disgrace. Absolute disgrace, the pair of you. Okay. Complete blatant use of powers. Okay. Right now you've taken it out of my pocket. See that bit of paper there? Read that bit of paper. Okay, and see who it's from. Okay, you see it's from the MPCC. Okay, you see what you're doing is completely unlawful. And the MPCC actually state that.
Look at the wall for me.
No, don't tell me to look at the wall.
Because at this moment in time, I haven't actually got you under control, so I'm just trying to see.
No, my feet haven't moved.
That's fine.
My feet haven't moved.
You're moving around quite a bit. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not going to hurt my colleague. Don't know you from any.
I'm not going to. But how do I know you're not going to hurt me?
Well, have I hurt you so far?
Okay, how do I know that though?
Have I hurt you so far?
I don't know that though.
Have I ever been rude to you?
So have I hurt her? No. So don't make something up. Yeah?
Quite hurtful.
Yeah? Yeah? And your point is what? You are?
I'm a
you are?
That's really big.
That's not really...
You are? The both of you are. Okay? It's an absolute disgrace what you're doing. Absolute disgrace. Absolute disgrace. No reasonable grounds whatsoever for any search.
Polite to you, sir.
No, you haven't. You're abusing your powers. That's not being polite. That's an absolute joke.
I put what you was inside this pocket inside your bag, alright, mate?
Okay, well, I didn't ask you to do that, and you shouldn't have done it because there could be things in there that should not be with that.
Though, so it's going to be.
But I want to see it first. I'm not going to take the bag back. I want to actually see what he took out of my pocket first.
You can get it out of the pocket,
No, he had it in his hands. I want to see that first before I actually know it's there. Okay? So don't just make a point. Okay? I want to see the actual case. Okay? Right. Okay? That's why whatever you take out, you shouldn't put somewhere else. You should wait until people actually see it.
Okay. That's interesting. I'll take that on board next time. Would you like to hold your bag, or would you like me to put it on the floor?
Absolute joke. Absolute joke, the pair of you. So 2 turds come out of Wimbledon to work in Brixton and abuse powers wherever they are.
As I said, I'm giving you time.
Don't worry, I will be taking it.
What's your first name, mate?
Just put it as Plod.
What's your first name?
Just put it as Plod. I'm entitled to put whatever name I wish. And I'm
Is that your first or last name, mate?
It's just Plod.
Just Plod, yeah.
Okay, and you can put it as Mr. Plod if you want.
What's your date of birth?
That's irrelevant.
It's relevant. Okay, I'm just.
Yeah, and I'm saying it's irrelevant.
Okay, then what's your address, mate?
That's irrelevant as well.
Okay, no worries then.
Why? Can I just ask a question? No?
Ask whatever you want.
Why are you so against us searching you?
You've abused your power, okay? You said that you got reasonable grounds, okay? As I already stated, okay?
It doesn't...
Now, as I said, now there's that, okay? I would like you to take that, okay? Right, do you know who the MPCC are?
Yes.
Okay, yeah?
I don't think I need that though.
Why not? Why not? because you're going to find out that. Yes, it is, because you're going to find out from this, from the MPCC, that what you've just done is unlawful. Okay, and it clearly states that. No, it's not. Okay, you talk utter crap.
And actually,
you talk utter crap. The both of you. Okay, you both took part in the actual. Well, either way, you searched my bag. You're a part of it. Okay, you're a part of it.
Okay.
Right, and you're both an utter disgrace. A complete and utter disgrace.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Okay, complete use of powers and nothing else. Absolute jokers. Okay, absolute bunch of turds. Nothing more. How you doing, buddy? It's alright, mate. They're searching me because I'm filming.
Why are you filming that? I've noticed that earlier.
Yeah, well, it's a public building. It's a public building. We pay for it. We're entitled to film it.
What are you going to do with the video?
Well, this is why, because they abuse their powers.
Alright, mate, looking at this list, mate, what would you say your ethnicity is?
Well, that's irrelevant. Put me down as whatever you want.
That's all you.
That's irrelevant.
Sorry?
That's irrelevant. Okay, and I will be requesting copies of the actual footage as well from both of your body cams. Okay, so please make sure that you do upload it correctly. The Wombles of Wimbledon come to Brixton and take the piss.
79 over. Is anyone with 2879?
I'll have to find.
Yeah, give us an update as soon as possible. I will want to be accounted for.
I hope you went out yesterday. It was very hot yesterday. It's a good shot.
Please don't block my view.
I'm free to stand wherever I
Okay,
want.
right, fair enough.
No worries.
It's handy for the cold, really, isn't it? For people like this.
Yeah, and I suggest that you both actually go in and actually read up on what laws you've actually just abused.
We'll keep that in mind, mate, don't you worry.
Okay? Yeah, you can be as sarcastic as you want, but you're still a turd anyway.
I'm just talking to you as you're talking to me.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, absolute jokers.
See, you're more than entitled to make a complaint. Do you know how to make a complaint? If you're
Oh, don't worry, I do.
Okay, I'm sure you've
Okay.
probably done it before.
Right.
But it's all recorded on our body worn,
That's
which will
fine.
be uploaded.
That's
and once
fine.
you make that
Well,
complaint, they'll review the
as
body
I
worn.
said,
They'll be able to review.
make sure that you upload it properly and don't damage it.
Don't damage it.
Yeah.
They're quite hardcore. I don't think they're that
Okay.
easy to damage.
Well, you two definitely ain't hardcore. Okay.
But even if
you
it-
two are an absolute joke.
Okay, well, even if the camera does get damaged in any way, you can still
Okay.
make the complaint.
Do you know what barcode we are?
Horror code.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Lima X-ray.
Reasonable suspicion, not giving your name.
No.
Get off.
For the course of PNC, standby for more.
There you go, sir.
Okay. Both your numbers on here.
They are not. We have actually given it to you.
Okay. Okay. No worries.
No. Okay.
Any questions? Why would there be any question for you abusing my rights?
Being kind.
For you, seriously, you're going to try and be kind, considering you just abused my rights.
This moment is critical. Terms like harassment, alarm, and distress aren't magic words. They still require context and evidence. Saying them doesn't automatically make conduct unlawful.